Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add departments in 3CX. To begin, log in to 3CX. Select the admin icon in the lower left corner of the screen to navigate to the 3CX admin console. Click on the Departments tab. Press this button to add a department. Enter the department's name here. Click on OK to create the department. Press this button to add members. Check the boxes next to users you'd like to add. Please note that it's recommended to add at least one department administrator. Click on OK when you're finished adding members. Click on the back arrow to verify your setup. To configure office hours and holidays on this department, go to the Office Hours tab, then click on your Departments tab. Select your time zone from this drop-down menu. Add office and break hours for each workday. For example, you could set Monday's office hours to set a time range or to the whole day, then click on OK when you're finished. Go to the Office Holidays tab and press this button to add holidays to your department. Type in the holiday's name. Set it to a single day or a range of days from this drop-down menu, then select whether it occurs annually or not. Click on Save when you're finished. Your department is now set up and ready to use. Congratulations! You have successfully added a department on the 3CX phone system. Check back for more guides about 3CX as we post content on a regular basis.